Hey guys, Hans from Twitter. I'm not here to sell you a journey like that, nor am I here to take you on an adventure with Gunnar. I'm here because we need your help making our next album, which we will release independently, directly from us, to you, wonderful listeners of Twitter. Through Patreon, you can support us directly, and for that, you will get privileged access to some amazing perks, such as a monthly video update from the studio. You can get on the VIP guest list for future tour shows. You can get your name in the album. You can join our monthly video Q&A call, and maybe, just maybe, I can buy back my old tour dog, which we had to sell. We have 10 different levels of support for you to choose from. You can see them all on patreon.com/tourband. I hope to see you on the inside. Thank you.